He's already here saying hi. Hello. You're just a little baby. How you doing? How pretty you are. And you got little white socks on. Good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. Oh. Hi. You're so cute. Yes, you're so cute. Hey, you want to see the speaker? Let's see if I can find it in here. What's that? What you eating? Huh? Looks like you were eating something. I know, you don't want to be in here. I don't want you to be in here either. And I got a Buddha belly on one side. Ooh, you're licking your chops. Hey, come back. Can you sit? Sit. 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 Good boy. Come on, sit. Come on, sit. Come on. Come on, sit, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Okay, bye. He looks so much older in his Pet Harbor picture, but he really is just a little puppy. Yeah.